Finding the right baby food maker isn't always easy. There are so many options on the market, and almost every product claims to be the best. But in reality, not all of them deliver the performance parents expect. That's why in today's video, I'll be showing you the top 5 best baby food makers, carefully selected based on performance, features, ease of use, and value for money. So, make sure to watch until the end and find out which one is the best choice for your needs. Let's get started. Item number 5, Babymoov Duo Meal Station. This feels like a complete game changer for busy parents. The Babymoov Duo Meal Station is designed to make baby meal prep simple, fast, and incredibly convenient. What makes this stand out is its powerful 6-in-1 design. It can steam, blend, warm, defrost, and even sterilize, giving you everything you need in one smart machine. The large capacity is perfect for preparing multiple meals at once, helping save valuable time in the kitchen. Its multi-speed blending creates smooth, healthy purees, while the steaming system helps preserve nutrients and flavor. Easy controls, smart design, and impressive versatility make this an excellent choice for modern parents. Item number 4, Grownsy Baby Food Maker. What makes this stand out right away is how smart and parent-friendly the design feels. The Grownsy Baby Food Maker combines steaming, blending, grinding, and sterilizing in one compact machine, making daily meal prep smooth and effortless. One impressive feature here is the nutrient-preserving steam basket, designed to lock in vitamins and flavor for healthier homemade meals. The auto and manual mixing modes also give excellent control over food texture, which is great during every stage of weaning. Safe materials, smart controls, and versatile performance make this a fantastic choice for parents who want convenience and healthy baby meals in one device. Item number 3, BEABA Babycook Solo. This looks like a premium baby food maker built for parents who want speed, convenience, and healthy meal prep in one smart machine. The BEABA Babycook Solo brings steaming, blending, defrosting, and reheating together in a sleek 4-in-1 design. You immediately notice its impressive capacity, allowing up to 27 servings in just 20 minutes, which is perfect for weekly meal prep. The elevated steam basket helps preserve nutrients and flavor, giving every meal a fresh, homemade feel. With one-hand operation, auto shutoff, and excellent safety features, this machine delivers convenience, efficiency, and peace of mind in every use. Item number 2, EVLA'S Double Baby Food Maker. One interesting thing here is the smart double basket design, and it instantly makes meal prep feel faster and more efficient. The EVLA'S Double Baby Food Maker lets you steam 2 ingredients at the same time, making it easy to create balanced and flavorful meals in minutes. It clearly leans toward convenience with steaming, blending, grinding, reheating, and defrosting, all built into one sleek machine. The touchscreen keeps everything simple, while the adjustable texture options make it perfect for every feeding stage. Stylish, practical, and highly versatile, this is a fantastic choice for parents who want smart meal prep made easy. Item number 1, Chef Handy Baby Food Maker. There's a clear focus on smart, healthy meal prep with this one. The Chef Handy Baby Food Maker combines steaming, blending, and warming in one compact design, making daily feeding simple and efficient. What really stands out is the stainless steel steam basket, which helps preserve nutrients and natural flavor in every meal. The texture control is also impressive, letting you create everything from silky smooth purees to thicker meals as your baby grows. With safe, BPA-free materials, smart safety features, and bonus reusable pouches, this machine feels thoughtfully designed for modern parents. Practical, reliable, and easy to use, it's an excellent all-around choice. Which of these baby food makers is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.